Imagine sinking your teeth into a piece of perfectly crispy fried chicken, with its golden brown exterior giving way to juicy, tender meat inside. Fried chicken is a dish that has become a beloved comfort food around the world, and it's no surprise that even celebrities can't resist its allure. Did you know that Beyoncé, a global superstar known for her disciplined diet, has openly admitted to her love for fried chicken? And she's not alone. Oprah Winfrey has also shared her fondness for this iconic dish. But what's the secret to making fried chicken that's so crispy and flavorful, it could rival your favorite restaurant's version? Today, we're diving into those secrets and tricks that will ensure your fried chicken turns out perfectly every time. Get ready to impress your friends, family, and maybe even yourself with this timeless dish. The ingredients for perfectly crispy fried chicken. Creating the perfect fried chicken starts with choosing the right ingredients. You'll want to use high-quality chicken pieces, and it's best to go with a mix of thighs, drumsticks, and wings for a variety of textures and flavors. For the marinade, gather some buttermilk, which not only tenderizes the chicken, but also adds a subtle, tangy flavor. You'll also need a blend of spices like paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper to give your chicken that irresistible, mouth-watering flavor. For the coating, the secret lies in a combination of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and a bit of baking powder. The flour provides the bulk, the cornstarch adds extra crispiness, and the baking powder helps the coating puff up slightly, resulting in that perfect crunch. Don't forget the seasoning. Salt, pepper, and a touch of cayenne will ensure your chicken is flavorful through and through. The secret marinade. The first step to making perfectly crispy fried chicken is marinating the meat. A buttermilk marinade is a must, as it tenderizes the chicken and allows the flavors of the spices to seep deep into the meat. Start by pouring enough buttermilk into a large bowl to cover all the chicken pieces. To this, add garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a bit of heat. Stir the mixture well before adding the chicken. Make sure each piece is fully submerged in the marinade. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but ideally overnight. This will give the chicken time to soak up all those delicious flavors, resulting in juicy, tender meat. The crispy coating. While the chicken is marinating, you can prepare the coating. In a large shallow dish, combine all-purpose flour with cornstarch and baking powder. This combination is the secret to achieving that crispy, crunchy coating. Season the flour mixture generously with salt, black pepper, and another sprinkle of paprika and cayenne pepper. The key is to taste the flour mixture before you start coating the chicken. It should be well seasoned so that the final product is bursting with flavor. After the chicken is marinated, remove it from the buttermilk and allow the excess to drip off. Then, dredge each piece in the flour mixture, pressing the coating onto the chicken to ensure it adheres well.